See chapter 6 exercise 3.1 sum 1. Solve the following system of linear equations in three variables. X plus y plus z equal to 5, 2x minus y plus z equal to 9, x minus 3y plus 3z is equal to 16. See, three equations, you have three variables. So you have to solve these three equations. Find the values of all the three variables x, y and z. First, you mark the given equation as 1, 2, 3. So take two equations at a time. Let me take the first and the second equation. You look at the variable z here. Here the coefficient of z is 1 and the coefficient of z is 1. They are equal. So write the first equation separately. X plus y plus z equal to 5. Second equation 2x minus y plus z is equal to 9. So here, even though the coefficients are same, they are sign also same, but they must have the different sign. Then only will get cancelled that variable. So in that case, I do the subtraction. When you do the subtraction of two equations, you will change the sign in the second equation. So this plus 2x plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, and 9 plus, so it is minus 9. See, now add plus 1 minus 2, different sign. So you have to subtract minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1x, minus 1x, plus y plus 2y, plus z minus z gets cancelled, plus 5 minus 9, that is you are getting minus 4. You mark this equation as the fourth equation. Fourth equation has only two variables x and y. Now you take the second and the third equation. Again you concentrate on only the z variable. Here in the second equation, the coefficient of z is 1, but in the third equation, the coefficient of z is 3. So now take LCM of 1 and 3. See, common divisor 3 here goes one time. So LCM is equal to 3. So I am going to make both the variable constant as 3. So already 3 in the third equation you have the coefficient 3, but in the second equation the coefficient is 1. So I have to make it as 3. In that case the second equation is multiplied by 3. So you have to multiply all the variables by 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 1, that is 3y plus 3z. 3 9s are 27. Third equation, z variable is already 3 LCM 3. So just write the equation as it is. X minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 16. See here now, the coefficients are same, at the same time the sign also same. They must be in the opposite sign. So again you do the subtraction of these two equations, that is change the sign, plus x minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, plus 16, it is minus. Now 6x minus x, it is 5x, minus 3y, minus 3 plus 2, that is minus y, plus 3z minus 3z cancelled. And what about the constant? 27 minus 16. So you will get subtract 7, 6 goes 1, 2, so 1, 1 plus 11. So 5x minus y equal to 11. Mark this equation as 5. So see the fourth equation and the fifth equation, they have only two variables x and y. Now again you have to remove the next variable. Let me take the next as y. See, look at the coefficient of y. In the fourth equation, the coefficient of y is 2, and fifth equation, the coefficient is 1. Don't take the sign. So now find the LCM. You divide by 2. So 1 2s are 2. Just write 1. So 2 is the LCM. LCM is equal to 2. So you have to make the constant as 2. But fourth equation already it has the y coefficient as 2. So just write as it is. But fifth equation, the coefficient of y is here 1. So I have to make this as 2. So just multiply it by 2. So in that case, x coefficient 5 2s are 10x minus 1 2s are 2. 2y is equal to 11 2s are 22. See here y coefficient is same, and also the sign also opposite sign. No need to change the sign. So in that case I write adding. No need to change the sign. See, this is minus x plus 10, minus 1 plus 10, that is plus 9x. You have to subtract 10 minus 1, 9x, plus 2 minus 2, 0. And see here 22 minus 4. So what you will get? 18 plus 18. So x is equal to, you take this 9 to the other side, it is in the denominator. So we will get 18 by 9, x is equal to 2. So we got the value of x as 2. Now we have to find the other variables also. Substitute x equal to 2 in which equation? You have to substitute in the fourth equation or fifth equation. Let me substitute in the fourth equation. Fourth equation is minus x plus 2y is equal to minus 4. Just check it once more. Yes. So minus 2. Already minus here, but x value is 2. Plus 2y is equal to minus 4. So you take this minus 2 to the other side. Minus 2, already minus 4 is here. This minus 2 goes to the other side, it will become plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. 2y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2 by 2. So y is equal to 2 by 2 is 1. So minus 1. The value of y is minus 1. Now we have got the value of x as 2 and y as minus 1. So x equal to 2, y is equal to 1. I am going to substitute these two values in any one of these three equations. Let me substitute in the first equation. First equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 5. So x is 2, y is minus 1 plus z is equal to 5. What is 2 minus 1? 1 plus z is equal to 5. Z equal to 5 minus 1. Z is equal to 4. So the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 4. This is the answer. See the second sum. 1 by x minus 2 by y plus 4 equal to 0. 1 by y minus 1 by z plus 1 equal to 0. 2 by z plus 3 by x is equal to 14. See, all the variables are in the denominator. So let me take this 1 by x as a, 1 by y as b, 1 by z as c. So the equation is converted into 1 by x, that is a minus 2 by y. 1 by y is b, means 2b, plus 4 is equal to 0. 1 by y b, 1 by z c, plus 1 equal to 0. 2 by z 2c, 3 by x 3a is equal to 14. See, next step what you do, the variable should be on the left side, constant should be on the right side. So a minus 2b is equal to, I take this 4 to the other side, it is minus 4. Then b minus c is equal to minus 1. 2c plus 3a is equal to 14. So let me take this as first equation, second equation, third equation. See, these are the three equations in three variables. But see here, each equation has only two variables. So first you take the first and the second equation. You look at the common variable. B is common in both the equations. So in that case you have to cancel B. So here the coefficient of b is 2, here the coefficient of b is 1. So I have to make both as same number. Here 2 means here also 2 must come here. So first equation, let me keep as it is, a minus 2b is equal to minus 4. Second equation, I multiply it by 2. So this is 2b minus 2c is equal to 1 2s are 2, minus 2. See the sign, see the coefficients are same, and look at the sign, this is minus plus, so they will be cancelled. If I add itself, they get cancelled, no need to change the sign. So in that case, in the first equation a here, no a in the second equation, just write a. Minus 2b plus 2b cancelled, write minus 2c is equal to minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. Let me mark this as fourth equation. See here, one thing you have to do, no need to take the second and the third, just you see the third equation alone here. In the third equation, you have 2c plus 3a, the variable c and a. Already we have the variables a and c in the fourth equation. So you just look at third and the fourth alone. We are going to remove one of the variables. And you see the coefficients also. C has the coefficient 2 here. The same C has coefficient 2 here. So coefficients are equal. See, but this is plus 2 and this is minus 2. So just you can add. Let me write here third equation. 2C plus 3A is equal to 14. This is your third equation. Equal, the coefficients are equal, opposite in sign, so just add. So you will get, this is plus a plus 3a plus 4a minus 2c plus 2c cancel, minus 6 plus 14 plus 8. So a is equal to 8 by 4. So a is equal to 2. So we got the first variable a. Now you substitute the value of a is equal to 2 in the first equation in 1. So what is the first equation? A minus 2b equal to minus 4. A minus 2b is equal to minus 4. You no need to circle here. Value of a is 2. Substitute the value of a as 2. 2 minus 2b is equal to minus 4. So keep this b on the left side with the sign with the coefficient minus 2b. Minus 4 is here. You take this 2 to the other side, plus 2, this minus 2. So minus 2b is equal to minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. So b is equal to minus 6 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 6 by 2, this is equal to 3. So we get the value of a as 2, b as 3. Now you can substitute the b value in one of the equations. See, but we cannot substitute b value here. Already ab value we know. Let me take the second equation. Substitute b is equal to 3 in 2. So second equation is, just see here, b minus c equal to minus 1. b minus c is equal to minus 1. So b is 3. 3 minus c is equal to minus 1. Minus c is equal to minus 1. 3 goes that side, minus 3. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. So minus c is equal to minus 4. Minus minus cancelled. So c is equal to 4. See, we got all the values. A value is here 2. A is 2. B is 3. And C is 4. See, but see here, we have to solve the equation for the variable x, y, z. What you have taken a as 1 by x, reciprocal of x, b as 1 by y, c as 1 by z. In that case, a is equal to 2 means x is equal to reciprocal of a, 1 by a, that is 1 by 2. Y is reciprocal of b, that is 1 by 3. And z is equal to 1 by 4. This is the answer.